The very thing that I will always mention when it comes to English learning is motivation. That's the key ingredient of the recipe. This is what will fuel you along the way. You want to make sure you are motivated enough beyond the simple desire of taking a first step. You want to be motivated and determined to get there. If that is not fixed, if you don't deal with that, you're definitely not going to make it. So, motivation is the key, but let's brush that aside and consider the different steps as such that you want to take as you get started. And once you are motivated, as a matter of fact, the first thing to consider is setting a goal. That's where everything starts. Now, in this context, I want us to draw on the SMART target theory developed in 1981 by George Doran and two others.